All right, welcome back, YouTube. I think we got it completed now. So I end up having to, I think in here I'll put the picture of, I had to buy a smaller adapter from Flaming River. But if you can see there, it's a smaller knuckle. It saved me some inches. And I did have to grind it a little bit, but I used my good old paper test. Right now, as you can see here, I have plenty of room since I bent and shaved it. Shaved it down. So I'm gonna just make sure all my spark plugs are there, and we'll fire it up and see if there's a difference. I'm gonna get it back on the ground. Right now it's still up on blocks. So I just want to make sure I got everything situated, but I'll get it off on blocks. And like I say, next step is to I think buy some carbon fiber to fill the hole up, and just for this weekend. Just for this year, and then I'll look to get it painted. Because I found online you can just buy this. Luckily on the Mustang, you can just buy this little body panel here. So it's just this little piece right here. So I think it was like $79 for both sides. So I'll buy that, and then when I get it repainted, it'll be color matched. So right now I'll work to get her down, and we'll fire up and let's see. That's the wrong way. Yep. See what it looks like. So let's take a look at. So it does come down a little bit, but it's not too bad. I mean, like you say, I think I looked at most cars, and as you can see here, I can raise it up. It's kind of cuffing on the tires a little bit. I have saw some cars with a little bit of higher, but I think it'll give me about 3 inches of ground clearance. Going down a racetrack, unless I hit a bad bump, I shouldn't get past that. And most of the time, your car's gonna raise up anyway. So I think I got like a 2-inch lift. So technically, I should get 5 inches. Like I said, right, go back. I have seen some cars have them almost dragging the ground. So I think I'll be okay. Like I say, that's what you get when you buy a set of headers pre-made and you don't get a custom set. Maybe I'll look into that later on, getting the custom set. But right now I'm scheduled to go back to the track on August 22nd down at Outer Banks. Look like they changed the track prep to more of a radial type track prep right now. I think I may have to buy some Mickey Thompson's drag radial slicks, stiff sidewalls with tubes for that particular track. But right now, I'm going to leave it in its radial setup. I do have I'm trying to make the race on August 28th. Kind of what I prepared the car for, the all glass, all steel class. That's going to be at Piedmont Drag Rave Friday night, August 28th. So it gives me a little time to work out all the kinks and bugs. So I'm going to get it back on the ground to see how much room I have. I was thinking I might have to make a little addendum to the trailer to be able to get the car on and off safely without having to jack the back up too high. But anyway, stay tuned. We'll get it down and fire it up and see what it sounds like. Hang in there. Welcome back, YouTube. Got the exhaust on, got the stern shaft on, so let's see what she sounds like. Like I say, the first time I started her, probably like 3 weeks, however long it took. I think it took me like 3 weeks on and off doing the car, doing the conversion. So let's see what it sounds like. I'm interested to hear too. right, there you go. I think we got success. I mean, definitely in the car, I can hear a lot louder under the seat. I can feel the vibration of the exhaust being under the car. It's a lot quieter up here. Some of the smoke you saw was just from the silicone around the headers drying up, and also the headers getting started for the first time. So, other than that, like I say, next event is August 22nd. So we'll see. Most people say the performance shouldn't be different. I am going back to Outer Banks. Right here recently, it seems like they've been prepping the track more for radials. So right now, I'll leave the radials on. It may come, not this season, but next season, I might have to buy some slicks with inner tubes. So, but I think it was a good outing. It was fun doing it. Had some trials, making it. Right now, the driver's side is one to rub against 25.5 cage under the bottom here. So I may have to take it to somebody and actually get the metal cut and kind of bent over this way. But other than that, for me to do it, like I say, it took me, I would say probably took me a day if I was really working on it. But right now it took like 3 weeks to complete, so wasn't bad. Like I say, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you at the drag strip soon.